Leaked document states World Bank declares XRP as the new international currency. Even though XRP is not the top of cryptocurrency, but it is becoming more common than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Every day we hear about Ripple and XRP being adopted by financial institutions. It has the potential to replace all the banks and be one global financial currency. This has now been confirmed by the World Bank itself, that XRP will be the new international currency, but they are hiding this news. Let's find out more about this. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, a channel where we give daily updates about XRP. As we have announced a monthly giveaway of 1,000 XRP coins. So hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already to participate in the giveaway. And don't forget to click the bell icon and share your views in the comment section below. Watch to the end for more chances to win the huge amount of your favorite coin. In today's video, you will know about the secret document from World Bank that states XRP as a supranational currency. You will know that what is a supranational currency and how this will help XRP to replace the US dollar and be the one international currency. You will also know about the World Bank calling Ripple products as the real-world solutions. So, let's start our video. There was a secret document that was on the World Bank website at first, but later, it was removed. According to a YouTube crypto expert, he searched the document everywhere on the archives, but it kept saying that the document was not available for public viewing. A question arises in everyone's curious mind that what was in this document that made it to be removed from the internet? In that document, it was stated by the World Bank that Ripple XRP is the supranational currency. But before going any further, let's take a look at what is this supranational currency. According to Investopedia, a supercurrency is a hypothetical global currency, or supranational currency, that would be backed by a basket of reserve currencies at the International Monetary Fund, or IMF, and form the basis of a new global monetary system. The idea has attracted interest after the financial crisis and has been promoted by China and the rest of the BRICS. A supercurrency would replace the current US dollar system, which many blame for the increasingly frequent global financial crisis due to the collapse in 1971 of the Bretton Woods system of fixed but adjustable exchange rates because of its volatility. And many, like neo-Keynesian economist Joseph Stiglitz and George Soros, see as a new direction for the development of the global economy. This has made very clear that what is the supranational currency and what is it capable of doing. Now, XRP has been called the supranational currency, which means that XRP will be the global financial system of this future world. It has the capacity of replacing the US dollar and being the one global financial currency. The document pointed out what DFC or digital fiat currency is and what it is not. World Bank and IMF have been always seen constantly supporting XRP. In a report written by Marco Nicolai, who is a senior financial sector specialist in the innovation global practice of the World Bank, the World Bank heaped praises on distributed ledgers, in particular Ripple, and called Ripple's XRapid as potentially transformational technology. Ripple's XRapid was being praised in the report, and it was called as a real-world solution that's being actively tested. According to the report, these shortcomings make the cross-border payment industry ripe for disruption and innovation. Some of these distributed ledger technologies, or DLTs, as having the potential to drive industry-wide change. DLT solutions could potentially bypass the de-risking issue altogether by enabling remittance service providers to operate without the need for a correspondent banking relationship. On XRapid, the report says that in 2018, Ripple, a fintech company, piloted XRapid, a DLT-based cross-border payment solution, along the very competitive US-Mexico corridor. The transfer of funds on XRapid took 2 to 3 seconds, with most of the processing time explained by domestic payment rails and intermediary digital asset exchanges. On the potential of distributed ledgers dominating cross-border payments in the long run, whether DLT will be an effective solution to the challenges the remittances industry faces and when the technology will reach sufficient scale to effectively disrupt the space remain to be answered. In any case, there is ample opportunity and, of course, need for innovation in the cross-border payment industry. Blockchain technology and digital assets like XRP can create more frictionless cross-border payment experience. Ripple's mission is to remove friction from global payments and enable money to move the same way that information does today, digitally and instantly. In a blog on Ripple Insight, it is written that banks and financial institutions that can bring cross-border payment methods into the modern world and provide a truly frictionless experience that reduces the many pain points customers are facing today will emerge as leaders in tomorrow's global payment industry. Besides Ripple SEC lawsuit, there are no hurdles in XRP's way to be the global financial payment currency and rule the world. XRP is a bridging currency, and it will be used to bridge all the central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. Bank of International Settlement has recently given its full support to CBDCs, and these CBDCs will be bridged by XRP. We know that every financial institution and every country is moving toward CBDCs, and in this, XRP bridging them all is a wild card for XRP as the global reserve currency. Ripple XRP is a currency with a purpose. As far as cryptocurrencies go, Ripple is a microcap option compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum. This means investors in XRP appear to like the growth trajectory of this smaller cryptocurrency relative to its larger peers. When XRP was initially designed, investors had a goal in mind. Ripple's founders wanted to create a cryptocurrency designed specifically for real-world use cases. This is an extremely important fact, and one the investors need to take seriously. XRP solves a key problem in cross-border payments involving two different currencies. The XRP decentralized blockchain technology allows for transactions to be settled almost instantaneously. We all know that how the SWIFT process works. This technology is a huge upgrade, having a transaction approved in as little as 3 to 5 seconds, as opposed to 1 to 5 business days, is a real-world upgrade. XRP is the cryptocurrency that provides the banks with on-demand liquidity, a liquidity pool of XRP which is used to source the international pool for the users of RippleNet. While RippleNet aims to solve the problem of confirmation and DB management, the XRP on-chain liquidity aims to provide instantaneous conversion and payment into any fiat currency on demand. According to Ripple, it will help reduce the cost for banks by 40 to 60%. RippleNet has also a play in making XRP on the top of the list of financial institutions. It is the decentralized network using XRP Ledger and the XRP cryptocurrency to provide a global payments platform for users. This platform is widely used globally and is growing in its influence, though perhaps maybe not to the degree many have expected in recent years. The advantage of using RippleNet is mainly related to the transaction headaches caused by international transfers. RippleNet provides businesses with a cheaper and more efficient option. Transactions are settled immediately and in local currency on both sides. This is obviously advantageous to large multinational companies and those with cross-border banking needs. Banks and financial institutions appreciate Ripple more than any other cryptocurrency. As a result, it makes sure that worldwide industries adopt it to a greater extent. The digital asset in a Weiss rating survey turned out to be more popular in the US than Bitcoin. Data from the Uphold website shows UK transaction volumes across all cryptocurrencies have leapt 16-fold during the first 3 months of 2021. However, the most interesting twist in the data reveals that XRP's transacted volume is at least 8 times higher than that of Bitcoin. A standout is recognition by the World Bank and the mentioning of cost savings and speed of XRapid. As a solution that seeks to change the status quo, benefiting the end user, the global financier notes that Ripple's solution has the possibility of impacting people's lives positively. Being one of Ripple's core products, XRapid does leverage XRP as a medium of exchange. At present, Ripple XRP is trading around the 63-cent mark after having reached a high of 66 cents overnight. According to the 4-hour chart, the resistance level of 65 cents appears to be a sticking point for XRP at present. The June 22nd low represented a 70% decline from the late April high of $1.96. Interestingly, the 50-week SMA was registered at 54 cents. There was also the first oversold reading on the daily RSI since December 2020. So basically, XRP needs to close above 60 cents to indicate that it is in bullish mode, something it is quite far from doing. The current bearish tendency in the market, as well as a collapse of customer confidence, is also having a negative effect on proceedings. Conversely, however, if the price does achieve that daily close, a leg up could ensue with the price rising around the 98-cent level. After that, the reaching of the $1 psychological level may also be achieved. According to the CoinMarketCap, at the time of writing, the XRP price today is 64 cents USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $2.4 billion USD. XRP is up 6.30% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 7 with a live market cap of $29.7 billion USD. It has a circulating supply of 46 billion XRP coins and a max supply of 100 billion XRP coins. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it could be a big help to you. What do you think? Will XRP be the global financial currency? And why is the World Bank hiding that document? Share your views in the comments down below. Don't forget to click the bell icon and participate in the giveaway. And thanks for watching.